How to fix 500 internal server error. In this video, I'll guide you on how to fix a 500 internal server error quickly and easily. So first, you need to refresh the browser that you're using or the page, because sometimes the server glitch is temporary. If that doesn't work, then clear your browser cache and cookies. After that, try opening the site in a different browser or a private mode. To clear the cache, you can go with the three dots which will be on the top and then go with settings. Under settings, you need to go with privacy and security, and then here you need to go with delete browsing data and then go and delete it. After deleting, just go and refresh your page or your browser and your problem might be fixed. Or use a different browser or a private mode. You can also restart your router to rule out any network issues. If you're the website owner, check your server logs, disable recently added plugins or scripts, and make sure your htaccess file isn't corrupted. And if the issue still persists, contact your hosting provider because the problem may be on their end. So that's it, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.